News coming in. A PIL has been filed before the Delhi High Court alleging continuous surveillance of peaceful protesters at Jantar Mantar by the Delhi police. The plea alleges that since commencement of the sit-in protest and hunger strike on 20th June, protesters have been subjected to continuous photography, videography and round-the-clock monitoring. My colleague Atul Ranjan will be joining us shortly. This PIL, of course, is related to the hunger strike by activist and educator Sonam Wangchuk as well as the Cockroach Janata Party. The protest has been going on at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, and of course it is under police surveillance which is being claimed by this PIL at this point in time. Sonam Wangchuk has entered the 18th day of his hunger strike, and we're now learning that a PIL has also been filed before the court, which is alleging continuous surveillance of the peaceful protesters by Delhi police that continues to be stationed at the protest site. Hina joins me on the broadcast. Hina, take our viewers through the details.
Right, Devika. So, in fact, this PIL was filed by the president of former JNU Students' Union, Ashay Ghosh, and this particular person has moved the Delhi High Court alleging that there have been continuous and intrusive police surveillance that has been going on at the Cockroach Janata Party protest, which is taking place at Jantar Mantar for past many weeks in New Delhi, in the national capital. Now, essentially, this PIL is challenging that the Delhi police acts. The acts of surveillance and the photography that is taking place is persistent, and the videography of the protesters include a permanent surveillance tower also that has been installed at the site of the ongoing sit-in and the hunger strike that is taking place. So Delhi High Court is going to pick up that PIL and will hear the case.